Today I'm showing you my quick everyday routine that covers under eye hollows, wakes up tired eyes and smooths fine lines. Always start with moisturizer. I'm using Q&A Day Cream with vitamin C. Apply it generously and never forget your neck, ladies. Your neck always shows your age. I don't use separate neck cream, your day and night cream is enough. Now cream base. First I'm using Catrice True Skin Concealer in shade 10, Cool Cashmere. It is high coverage, so no foundation today. I apply it under my eyes, middle of my forehead, bridge of my nose and along my jawline and tap on a few scars. Blending with my damp Sosu cosmetic sponge for a natural look. I'm just tapping gently, not dragging. We don't want to emphasize any texture. Next, Makeup Revolution Matte Base Concealer in shade C14 as my bronzer. It blends beautifully, not oily or dry. I apply it to the sides of my nose, around my forehead and cheekbones, but higher than traditional contour. Over 40 makeup needs lift, not a slimmer face. I blend it with my Primark dual-sided brush using upward strokes. Then I finish with the same sponge for a natural look without sharp lines. Now the Makeup Revolution Blush and Highlighter Stick in Mauve Glow. Starting with the blush, beautiful pigmented pink, I'm drawing a line a bit higher than usual and on top a higher line with the highlighter, gorgeous pearly glow. I also add highlighter to the bridge of my nose and highest parts of my forehead. Blend gently upward and back, not dragging down. Face done. Now Catrice Perfection Eyeshadow Stick in shade 2, Pearl Glaze. Perfect for hooded lids like mine. I apply directly to my lid, then blend higher than my crease to make the lid more open and eyes bigger. The pearly finish is gorgeous. You can see how much more open this eye looks. Revolution Clear Brow Gel. I brush my brows upward with a spoolie. For this natural look, I need definition and lift. This clear gel is perfect. My signature colorful winged eyeliner, Handian eyeliner pen in royal blue. Waterproof, very pigmented felt tip for precise strokes. I draw the bottom line of the wing first, then connect with the top and fill it in. Colorful liners make my days better. Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Burgundy for my sparse, short lashes, just to define them and add color. The brush is a great size for smaller eyes and short lashes like mine. Lip time. NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral, a bit darker and more vibrant than my natural lip. I outline my lips, then smudge with my finger. Now Catrice Diamond Glaze Gloss Stick in shade 40. No shade, just sparkle. Just sparkle on top. Very glowy and moisturizing, definitely my daily lip. Makeup done. Let me untie my hair. Face looks smoother, eyes more vibrant. The colorful eyeliner did its job. Glasses on, looks great. If you like this look, thumbs up, comment below and see you soon, bye!